Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. Let us learn English grammar. Read these sentences. Anjali bought a toy. Sham saw an elephant. Raj went to the market. In these sentences, I circle a, and, the. What is this? These are the articles. Today we are going to learn articles. What is articles? Article is a word used to modify a noun which is a person, animal, thing or an idea. Identify a noun. Article is a word used to identify noun, person, animal, thing or an idea. So see this. There are three articles in English: a and the. The article a is used before a singular noun that begins with a consonant sound. Example: a bat, a monkey, a calendar, a book. This is a book. A consonant sound started with a singular noun. The article an used before singular nouns that begins with a vowel sound. Which are the vowel? See this. These are the consonant, 21 consonant in English. Vowels, there are 5 vowels in English. A, E, I, O, U. Before the vowel sound, use an. Article used for the article an used before the singular nouns that begins with a vowel sound. Examples: an elephant is here vowels and vowel sound, and our, but here is h is silent, so our, and orange, o is vowel and the spelling is vowel sound pronounced here, orange, so we have to use an. Next, the article the is used before a specific noun, particular noun. This means the article the is used the proper nouns that are only one kind, particular, special. The Taj Mahal, it is the famous. The Himalayas, it is particular, unique, incredible. So we have to use here the article. A specific person or thing already spoken about. There are a pen. In this specific person or thing already spoken about, now there is a pen there. It is the pen I want. See, here use a pen. Why did the use here? Because again and again the noun is repeated. That's time we have to use here the. We have to avoid the article. Next time, after that we have to use the. Sheila has a cat. There is a pen there. It is the pen I want. Means that is the thing already spoken.